Number 3 and then number 5 to determine the image or the pre-image, and the rule that we're following is stated right here. The pre-image xy is going to get turned into a prime image where our x was shifted 8 over to the left, -8, and where the y value is shifted 4 up. That's why it's a positive 4. Okay, so number 3, it says what is the image of 2, 6. So that's assuming that this 2, 6, A is the original coordinate. It's the pre-prime coordinate, which is why you don't have a little A prime symbol up here. And so we're going to go from 2, 6 and change it into something else. Okay, so the 2 gets changed by subtracting away 8. This is the x value here. We're going to take away 8 from it, so 2 becomes a -6. The y value of 6 has 4 added to it. It gets shifted up 4. So 6 becomes 10. Okay, so A of 2, 6 becomes A prime -6, 10. Pre-image coordinate, prime coordinate. Now we're going to use that same rule as we look at number 5. What is the pre-image of C prime? And so we're going back to, this must be the prime coordinate, and that's why it's marked as a prime coordinate. So we're going to go back and try to find C. So you could think of this in the same way. If this is C prime, I'm going to just rewrite it as -3, 10. We got that from some C coordinate. So what x value here must have been subtracted by 8 in order to get the -3. Okay, so another way of thinking of it, if I went from here to here, I subtracted 8, but since I'm really going backwards in this sense to find the pre-image, I'm adding 8 to it, so I must have started with 5. 5 minus 8 gets me that -3, or you could think of -3 plus 8 gets me the 5. Okay, so in the same way, what do I need to start with here as my y? The rule was that we were going to add 4 to it. What plus 4 gets me a -10? Well, -14 plus 4 gets me a -10. Or if you're thinking of it going backwards, -10 minus 4 will get me -14. So that's how we can actually find the pre-image coordinate.